Alright. Hey guys, today we're working on the 2006 Tribeca. I'm going to show you how to remove the right rear tail light. You come over here, I'll show you. There's these two little tabs, these little plastic guys right here. You grab your little clip remover. I love this tool, eBay, $1.99. Kind of just put it in there and just pry it out. These guys come out. Put it right there, pry it out. These guys come out. I don't know if you can order these anymore, but don't lose them. Two number 10s. Go ahead and hit that. Hit that. Remove these guys. Now, see how it just became loose? If you give it a little bit of a snudge this way, this whole thing will slide out. And you could undo these guys, and let's say you get your new tail light. Very simple. Put these back in. You can't get them mixed up. They only go one way on each one of them. Slide these puppies back in. Now, going back in, you got a guide tap right here, clip, and you have this right here. So this has to slide into that, and everything else will work its way in. If you pull this out all the way, make sure you put that back in, because if you don't put this back in, make sure you got a good seal. When this thing rains, you're gonna be wondering why you have a puddle in your trunk area. And you can see this tab going in. Be gentle with it. You don't have to push hard, and then you'll feel it go, snap into place. So then put your 10s back in and put the little clips over the top of them, and you're done. For what we're doing today, I'm going to pull this out and put it in the car for inventory. So if you guys need the tail light, better yet, I'm going to go ahead and put these guys back in here. Put these back in, so if you order a tail light from us, hopefully by the time this gets to the cleaning bath spot and pictured and detailed, we don't lose these guys. And that's how I take off a right rear tail light on a 06 Tribeca. It's the same for the later models as well.